one of the famous and I said district Ajidin pa. Eba na ba to mu a the first time omo to aba in fact omo ne 92 usher in the Fourth Republic and I year to aba for the first time after the Third Republic Dr. Hilary Man you two na by go around 1981 after a long break from 1981 to 1982 about 11 years and a PNDC Provisional National Defense Council and also so a share yes and no yes I'm coming back and I say yes I'm kofa eye kabima menkabi amebu no first time I to abano I dey say Atwima-Kwanwoma for eto abani bi nemom na presidential obekaya na parliamentary na issues kakra on enti of course Professor Edubuahen onya over 7,000 votes in terms of percentage no strike here bear 73% and the then flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings also nya baby call and sunya a little over 2,000 voter and also strike percentage from the nominal figures next and also share around 21%. In fact, Atwima-Kwanwoma is one of the constituencies are very loyal to the ruling New Patriotic Party. So we Kwabri is free where baby MPP nyom vote kese pa Atwima-Kwanwoma. Now if I am making reference and maybe obeka 2004 Bantima Beshimu Florida so they are here but traditional constituencies are I mean elections after elections omoma MPP a lot of votes Atwima-Kwanwoma constituency in the 2020 elections constituencies are a MPP vote ensure say Nanado remains as the president of the republic we Kwabri is free where Atwima-Kwanwoma and a torso mienu. But we'll come to that. Now, your population per the 2021 population and housing census, Atwima-Kwanwoma over 200,000, over 230,000 a year.
Okay, so we share live on Facebook. Yes. So that is Atwima-Kwanwoma population. 234,846.
We're 2021. Population census. That is the official figure. Fantastic. So 234,846. And remember, I was saying as at 2021 and year kind of money. Now, remember, we krumu hono 114,123. And a maswa a watch Atwima-Kwanwoma no me 120,723. Now, ya can say you know, afeyentin sim Atwima-Kwanwoma contribution to the electoral fortunes of the ruling New Patriotic Party. 1892 there medical at the amount. Now yanhwe 96 Atwima-Kwanwoma. And for the purposes of this discussion, you say you betchimu bebre medical atnafia ka tro say here elections and I say your constitution now you use Ghana currently no. Promote multi-party democracy.
Sure.
But from 92 to date, I duopoly because the two parties are dominating. Two parties are dominating a political scene. You know, Ghana has say, you know, MPP NDC. Anya MPP a NDC, Anya NDC a MPP. For the purpose of this discussion, you will see a time every Nyakobo HSK money ways you limit a year your friends and we competition you know, between a MPP and NDC. 1896 MPP under John Ajekunku the former president, enya 18,565 votes.
I see.
18,000. Those 18,565 votes. What the core percentage are 79.81%.
I see.
And we are 96.
I see.
Jerry John Rawlings. When you baby call. Ono enya 4,547 votes. In terms of percentage, no, 19.55%. 2000 elections. You can't even abo muye no. J.Eko for MPP enya 20,385, representing 88.53%. It is a warrior.
I see.
MPP vote no continue to appreciate it. Good. JEA Mills on so enya the baby call enya 2,406 votes. In terms of percentage, 10.45%. Now 2004 elections. J.Eko for the former president enya 30,200 votes.
30,200
votes. Yes. Percentage wise, 87.90%.
I see.
JEA Mills, our baby call. Enya 3,786 votes. Percentage wise, 11.2%. 2008 presidential elections. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, onu ne bedi eye MPP enim.
Yeah.
Onya 33,324.
Na just say Atwima-Kwanwoma for ammo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo abro.
Debi.
Omo payini dada Akufo-Addo.
Debi.
It's vote no from 28 sa baya man.
Yes, from 18,000.
33,000.
80 voter population increase no.
I see.
MPP who vote so increase. Yes, of course.
Oh.
82,004 make a view. JEA enya of the MPP enya 30,200 votes, representing 87.90%. JEA Mills NDC enya 3,786 votes, representing 11.2%. 2008 Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enya 33,324 votes, representing 83.80%. JEA Mills awenyan baby ko enya 6,013 votes, representing 15.12%. Now 2012 elections.
Interesting.
Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enya 48,995.
Yeah, qualifier.
Where 2012 presidential from 33,000. Oshutu Sade call 48,000.
From 33,000.
Or 48,000. Yes, or 48,000.
48,000.
Yes, where astronomical increase. Brofo.
That was Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Usain Bolt. I see.
Representing 81.62%. Unimibi. Ayana percentage no. Ebi ebetimi a confuse your friends say tie for no kakra. We no depending on member say you be too technical, but I think say that you be election proper no. You be cheche winti with time near fanti. You wouldn't want to spend so much time on that. John Dramani Mahama enya 10,654, representing 17.75%. 2016 elections presidential. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enya 54,000.
Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Yes.
From 33,000 to
48,000 to 54,252 votes.
Yeah,
representing where 2016.
Wow.
Representing the wind of change that time ne bro representing 86.28%.
I see.
John Dramani Mahama also appreciate here. No, o decline here because 2012 no onya 10,000 votes, but 2016 no onya 8,233 votes, representing 13.09%.
Interesting. That was in 2016.
That was in 2016. Now, JB.
Yes, sir.
But the 2020 results ni beba. And when they be usher in a honorable member of parliament. Now, my men found MPs neso.
Okay.
My men found MPs neso. Atwima-Kwanwoma, the first member of parliament, near friend of Dr. Matthew Kwaku. Okay. Voter unyai then time 18,056, representing 58.80%. 2,000 or says Isubi Osakubiu. Dr. Matthew Kwaku Entry enya 19,656, representing 85%. 2004 Osakubiu into a 3 times. 12 years.
Or 3 good times.
Yeah, 3 good times and I enjoy it.
Interesting. That is 12 years.
12 years. Onya 28,384, representing 81%. 2008 and a Dr. Apia Kubi Baye. Onunya 23,367, representing 76.21%. 2012 Dr. Kojo Apia Kubi was retained and I maintained.
Yeah.
Onya 48,995, representing 78.69%. 2016 maintained. Onya
2016.
I also
maintaining 2 times.
Or 3.
3 times.
Yes.
Okay.
Onya 42,264 votes, representing 67.27%. 2020, the current member of parliament, Osha, Onono voter Onya 78,000 209, representing 83.78,000. Kofi Amankwa
78,000.
Absolutely. Representing 83.78%. In terms of percentage, enipa ebia obetime de na compare no in terms of percentage. Say onya vote kese pa e Atwima-Kwanwoma Dr. Matthew Kweku entry, and that was the year 2000.
I see.
And these are the figures.
Very, very
These
interesting.
are the facts
very,
and
very
figures from Atwima-Kwanwoma constituency.
Now, so mame dynamics ne kakra. E ho no mo nyuma be na wo ho. E de na nkofo mo Atwima-Kwanwoma de no mo ye. And now road network. How is it like?
Okay.
And just give me that details.
All right.
Because MP will not be answer most of the questions
okay.
now.
So Atwima-Kwanwoma, in terms of population, we say highly populated. Currently, population is kwanimu pa because ohwe enipa dodo a ebi mote grieving greater Kumase.
Yeah.
We don't know a movie to areas like Atwima-Kwanwoma. It's a lot of buildings and as bia encrophosis ya dying ebi mu so o masi o mu de awie so a movie in and as omo kotenem they say krona nkasa and as district nkasa Atwima-Kwanwoma no enipa na edoso otra sokoban okọ ampayo ampabame. I mean, these are places that are developing very fast.
Yeah.
Kwanwoma side of the constituency.
Okay.
And I face what do any chere Atwima side of the constituency beka trade there, beka fuase, beka trebum, trade so develop very, very fast. One mami chemu mienu youthful population. Yes, I mean mabunu dudu pa ewo Atwima-Kwanwoma.
Yeah.
Adwuma ne de ebi mu kwia ende ebi mu so omo ankasa budua.
Okay.
And mine no enye that popular. Minimum so small scale mine, but enye that popular.
I see.
Enye that popular. Atwima-Kwanwoma. Unlike baby to say bia Manson Kwanta, Amansie enclave, Amansie East, West, and Central no mine no that popular no. Mine no enye that popular ho. Eti akoye kwia and na face ankurankura adwuma and na face so a teacher for ne money aban dwuma for
nti shele ni factory bia ye sori anopa ebetumi ehu se factory na fa kofo be 200 300 bi on cars ne nam efafa kofo kwa adwuma.
I stand corrected. Say MP ho be me ehu se bia factory bi wo ho dia. But as far as I know menyante se factory bia wo ho. But the bia ne bi menyahu se bia factory bia wo. But bia MP wo ha dia obemiahu sibia factory bi e wo ho na sibia 1D 1F no Atwima-Kwanwoma so benefit. So in terms of we say no population adwuma ni demography no these are some of the figures yes yetimi agada.
Very well.